Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix the sorry installation failed, upgrade needed issue. So first thing you have to do is to check if your processor supports AVX2. So what you're going to need to do is run the following command and command prompt. So I'm going to show you in the screen what are the commands that you need to do. So this will show the processor model, then checked if it supports AVX2 by visiting the manufacturer's website or looking up the specifications. And for second method is to enable AVX in BIOS. So to do that is restart your computer and enter the BIOS by pressing a key, often delete F2 or delete F10 during startup. Then look for the options related to AVX or CPU features. Ensure that the AVX or AVX2 is enabled if the option is available only. So after that, just save and exit the BIOS. For third method is to upgrade processor or system. So if your current processor lacks AVX2 support, you may need to upgrade to a newer processor model that supports AVX2. This can be done if your motherboard is compatible with newer processors. Otherwise, a more extensive hardware upgrade may be needed. And lastly is the virtualization option, only if it's applicable. So in some cases, you can set up a virtual machine that runs on a cloud provider with hardware supporting AVX2 if your workload allows it. So just take note that each of these solutions has different levels of complexity, but they should cover the main options for getting past the AVX2 requirement issue. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!